Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, in this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best hybrid bikes that you can buy right now. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring bike trails, or just getting some exercise, a hybrid bike offers the perfect blend of speed, comfort, and versatility. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Let's get rolling. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Trek FX3 disc. The Trek FX3 disc has a single derailleur in the rear, which allows for simple, rapid shifting among the bike's 10 well-balanced speeds. This setup also reduces weight and makes changing gears easier. At a shade over 25 pounds, the FX3 is one of the lightest hybrid bikes we reviewed, which was important for almost 40% of, and its Shimano hydraulic disc brakes make it one of the safest and most responsive hybrid bikes on or off-road. This is an expensive bike to be sure, and you may end up laying out a bit more to replace the seat that comes with it, as many owners report it feels stiff and uncomfortable. But in terms of overall performance, this is a stellar hybrid bike, which aligns with the priorities of our survey group of hybrid bike owners. 75% of these respondents identified a hybrid bike's functionality and performance as a major factor in their purchasing decision. This bike fits the bill with well-balanced, carbon fiber forks that reduce weight and vibration. Plus, the bike is as comfortable on trails or gravel tracks as it is on the pavement. At number 4, we have the Schwinn Discover Adult Hybrid Bike. The Schwinn Discover Adult Hybrid Bike costs less than $500, but is a reliable hybrid bike that's well suited to commuting, recreational rides, and exercise. It comes with a rear rack pre-installed, so you can strap on a laptop bag, backpack, or panniers, while the included fenders help keep your clothes free of water and mud. The bike's design allows for comfortable upright sitting, which is aided by the backward sweep of the handlebars. This is a heavy hybrid bike, tipping the scales at just over 40 pounds, so you'll be thankful for its 21 gears. And although its brakes are the older caliper style, they're reliable as long as you keep them tuned. Plus, the hydraulic front suspension fork will provide you with a reliably comfortable ride, even on bumpy roads or on a stretch of rough trail. Coming in at number 3 is the Cannondale Quick Disc 3 Remixed. The Cannondale Quick Disc 3 Remixed has full-sized 700C wheels, but the step-over frame is designed for women, who tend to have shorter torsos than men. The result is a bike that's fast, responsive, and comfortable to ride. The bike also comes with a built-in wheel sensor that keeps track of speed and distance, and can help you calculate your calories burned once it's paired with an app. The gears are sometimes sluggish to change with this bike, shifting a good second or two after you make the motion, but you'll acclimate. The brakes are responsive and reliable, which aligns with the priorities of 36% of our surveyed group who had bike systems top of mind during their shopping decision. The bike is decently light, so it's fast on the ground and not too heavy when you're loading it onto a rack or carrying it up the stairs. At number 2 is the Priority 8. Like all Priority bikes, the 8 uses a proprietary Gates carbon drive belt system instead of a classic bike chain and gear setup. The carbon fiber requires no greasing or lubrication and washes clean with water alone. Plus, it lasts about 3 times longer than a more traditional gearing system. This nimble 8-speed bike is ideal for commutes thanks to its responsive brakes, relatively low weight, and multiple attachment points for water bottle cages and frame bags. There's also a rear rack to which you can attach panniers, a basket, or a child seat. While I haven't used this specific bike, 3 of the 4 members of my family ride Priority bikes, and we've never had a single issue with the company's unique carbon drive belt system. If you want a hybrid that avoids grease, rust, and slipped chains, then this Priority hybrid is the best choice. If you want to ride on rougher trails or lots of gravel, it may not be, though, as its maximum recommended tire width is 38 millimeters. But that small caveat aside, this hybrid is built to last without a lot of tuning and pampering. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the State 4130 All-Road. The State 4130 All-Road is my primary bike. I ride it on the road as often as I do on the trail, and it performs quite well on both. I've ridden this bike at 41 miles per hour on a downhill, and I've jammed it over more rocks and roots than I would care to count. It's heavy for a hybrid bike, but there's a reason for that. The weight comes from the chrome molybdenum steel, which is a strong, low-alloy steel. The frame does wonders for reducing vibrations and bumps, which keeps you comfortable without a dedicated suspension. Just watch out for the handlebar bending out of shape even in the event of a minor crash. I can tell you about that firsthand, having slipped sideways on a dusty patch of trail. That in mind, always wear a helmet while riding. And there you have it, the top 5 best hybrid bikes. Each one of these offers a unique blend of features suited for different riding styles. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and happy riding!